As we look to continue simplifying rational expressions that have division signs, we want to remember when you have a division sign in a rational expression, you're going to multiply by the reciprocal of that which follows the division sign. So, we're going to rewrite our problem as a multiplication problem. The numerator on the left does not change, neither does the denominator on the left. This x minus 2 on the bottom is going to go to the top and become x minus 2 up there. And then we look for a GCF on this top part, 2x plus 6. Well, the GCF is a 2, and so that's going to translate to the bottom when it becomes a times sign. Now, as all the favorite part, the x plus 3's cancel, the x minus 2's cancel, and that leaves us an answer of 1/2. On number 6, I should have put a parenthesis here, and we remember we want to put that over 1. So, let's put our times sign, and let's start with the easy side, which is the x minus 3. Well, that goes to the bottom. As we talked about previously, it's very likely that x minus 3 is one of the two factors in this x squared plus 2x minus 15. So think with me. What is negative 3 times what is negative 15? Let's try to think of that as our hint. If you can think that that is a positive 5, then we say, do these two add to positive 2? If they do, the problem is kind of helping us to solve itself. And so my answer is x minus 3 and x plus 5. Now we look at the denominator. This positive 5 might be one of our two answers. So we say, is 5 times blank 20? Well, that answer is 4, and then those two also add to 9, which means that our two factors are x plus 5 and x plus 4. Now we can cancel everything now that it's factored. So the x minus 3's cancel, and the x plus 5's cancel, which leaves us a solution of 1 over x plus 4. Let's look at our seventh and final problem for this section. As we look at it, it is a division problem, so we need to convert it to multiplication. But the nice thing is, the top left is already factored. The bottom left is already factored as well. So, this 2x minus 7 is going to go to the top, and we have to figure out what multiplies to a number and adds to a number. Well, in this case, the 4 and the 7, if you remember, it has to multiply to those two numbers combined, which is negative 28. It has to add to negative 12. So, as we think through those numbers, 1 and negative 28 doesn't work. However, 2 and negative 14 is a possible solution. So, we're going to now remember, we take 4x squared, and we replace the negative 12x with our 2 and our 14. So 4x squared plus 2x minus 14x minus 7. So we replace that middle number with these two factors that we just came up with. Now we look and think, what is the GCF of these two factors? Hopefully you see that it's a 2x. If that's a 2x, then that leaves us with only 2x plus 1 on the inside. So we're going to write our 2x plus 1 again at the back half, and we're going to think negative 7 divided by positive 1 is what goes in the box, which leaves us an answer of our factors of 2x minus 7 and 2x plus 1. So this subset is going to come back to our problem and become our factors from our quadratic trinomial. Now that everything's factored, we can cancel. The 2x plus 1's cancel, the 2x minus 7's cancel, and we're left with x minus 3 over 4x plus 5. So it's important to remember all of our factoring stuff. If you need extra help with this, take yourself back to section 9.6 for a review over factoring with a number in front of an x squared.